Mm. Got it. Mm. Nimeanza. Nice. Hello guys. Good morning. Uh, am I audible? Hello guys. Good morning. Ah, nice. So let me share my screen and then we'll just start. Uh, okay. Okay. So for courtesy and introduction sake, my name is Timothy Baraka, and I'm part of the team with Martin, Alex, uh, and a few other people. So together we run Pipsy, and I'll be taking you through the London session. So yesterday I did a kind of nilifanya the introduction bit where I was talking about the rules that we are going to be using in London. So I'm not sure if any of us had a chance to look at that, but today we'll just get into it, right straight into it, and hopefully we'll get something out of the London session. So first of all, when you come into the market, the first thing I always look at is the economic calendar. So today is 13th of August, and is there anything really? So we have odd wage price, CPI. Don't know. These are employment numbers or something like that. Then for the dollar, Trump is speaking today at around 6:15 p.m. Kenyan time, and yeah, basically, I think I think the wild card here is maybe, yeah, maybe it could be him. This one is something to look at. What is he talking about and whatnot? Although it's not important, I just care about how it affects the dollar and how it will react in the live price action. Other than that, I don't really uh, see anything. So that Trump speech at 6:15, that's the only thing maybe I'm looking for. And then we'll head into the the daily the daily outlook. So I'll just do the weekly review, and then I'll do the outlook for the weekly for GU, uh, euro dollar, and gold for today. And then if we have something to take a trade on, I will also share that as well. But right now, let's get into it. So remove all the drawings, clean up the chart, then look at the weekly trend. So generally, we have a bullish kind of market. So we've been going up, although at this point, I noticed that we are kind of in a slight consolidation on the weekly, but in the grand scheme of things, when you look at the daily, 4 hour, those lower time frames, we can find that this move is a quite a significant one. But generally on the weekly, I see that price is kind of consolidating around this region, and that's it. Maybe I can highlight most of the thing. On the daily chart, we have this FVG that now we are kind of trading above it. We had this, it's called a mitigation block right here. And if anything is to go by, now that price is trading above that fair value gap, in a technical point of view, we might continue up to this liquidity. So the range that you're working at is on the daily is from this high down again to this low. So this is the price action I'm interested in for the time being. So I'm interested in seeing will it kind of respect this level, continue to go down, or we have that push up to this point and probably this other high. I'm not sure whether it's a good idea to have these distractions coming to what I'm doing. So I'll just shut that. Oh, let me let these people in. I'm opening too many tabs. Admit all people. Sorry about that, guys. I'm managing too many things at the same time. So just wanted to remove that so that we don't have too many distractions. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for price to react from this level. So after we get a close above that, then I can hope for a follow through up to this liquidity, this high down up here. Going down to the 4 hour, nothing much to say. I think that's just about it on the outlook on that one. We'll go to GU. Remove that again, and then I'll share my point of view. So POV. So on the weekly in GU, we also have trend upwards. We are having a slight consolidation, not as much as the euro, but price is stalling here. But in here, we still have a consolidation period doesn't mean that we don't trade, but uh, we're just more careful with the trades that we take, in that you don't expect them to work 100% of the time. Sometimes you'll get break evens, more so when you are having tight stops and whatnot. So that's it on the weekly. We're having that consolidation, trend is upwards until it changes. I have a bullish kind of I notice a bullish trend on the daily. The range that we are working with is this high, immediate high to this low. We have multiple fair value gaps here. So we have this one punched through, this one punched through. So we are having multiple bearish PD arrays being violated. So we also have that similar mitigation block here. So I expect a follow through up to this point of liquidity. And let me just share this briefly. Instead of me looking at what is it going to do after it punches through this one, I'm looking at the range, because in my experience, I find that if you look at the most immediate, what is it going to do next in the next couple of days? So it is easier to look at price from this lens. From here, from where price is right now to at the upper, it is quote unquote a shorter kind of a distance from here to here than this point. So even as you're doing your outlook, if one tip that you can implement in that, try and look at a shorter time horizon. Don't look at price like, is it going to move from this point to this point? Rather, look at from where price is right now until this immediate high. How can we get there? How can I take advantage of that price action from this point to this? That is one way to, like, kind of reduce your losing trades, because maybe you are looking at a way high, a bigger time horizon than necessary at that point. So that is on EU. We have a bullish trend. We have that range to work with, and more so, we are noticing that the bearish fair value gaps are being violated with closes above them. So we expect that price will continue to move higher. So that's just my point of view on GU. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Let me see at the far whether there is anything else. More or less the same. More or less the same. Yeah. So that's just it. let's go to gold. So for gold, we've been having a very terrible kind of price action. So this is the market that I watch closely. Mm, I watch it closely more than GU EU, just because I think uh, my kind of strategy works very well with gold rather than the FX pairs. So for for, for gold, just as I mentioned yesterday, we we are having this consolidation here, but generally we were in a bullish trend. So we're consolidating at that point because uh, if you follow ICT, price has four phases. So from we have four phases of price movement. So we have consolidation, two, uh, what is it called? Mm, impulse. What it's called? Uh, I'm forgetting that name. Uh, Reversal, and then back to consolidation again. Uh, is consolidation. Uh, if you can remember that, you can type it on the chat, and maybe my brain is failing me. So from consolidation we go to uh, what's that? I wanted to, yeah, but you get the point, where it comes from a consolidation, goes into an impulsive move, and then consolidates again, either reverses or goes into another consolidation. Yeah. So I can't remember that particular name for now, but it's uh, it's just that. So price moves like that. So we have a consolidation on the weekly. We can go to the daily, mark out the range that you're working with, and from there we can find out. So NFP brought about this. NFP brought about this fair value gap, and now uh, we are respecting it bullishly. If you go to the 4 hour, the daily, there is a gap here as well. So the higher time frame fair value gap has more strength, and also we have another gap here. So this is why gold is kind of tricky right now. We have two opposing PDRAs. So you don't know whether it will respect this one, continue to go lower, or from this point upwards, we will have price to go higher from this other fair value gap. So the range that we are working with on the daily is from this place to down here. I had mentioned yesterday on the live stream. Now that we have CPI behind us, I had preferred that we continue to go. We continue to go lower. We continue to go lower, and probably attack this low. But with the current price action, I would be really skeptical to take anything until I see an aggressive kind of move, something like this. Uh, I'm looking for. I'm looking for. What am I looking? I'm looking for. Yeah, this one. I'm waiting for something like this to happen after we close above, or we close we respect that fair value gap. I expect that we continue to go lower in that manner. So that's the problem with this. We kind of respect that fair value gap up, and then we we go we go lower, just because gold sometimes doesn't follow the script to in terms of maybe uh, the dollar based pairs, GU, EU, USD CHF, USD card, whatever. Sometimes you find that gold moves in a totally different and it's a unique pair in its own, because of I think uh, there it is more of a safer investment when all other pairs uh, are doing badly. It is a store of value for that, and I think we with that, if I get that move down, it will be better. So in my opinion, I still prefer lower prices in gold, but I'll have to see. I'll have to see something uh, more significant than this. I'll have to see what will happen when maybe we react from this point, and how will it react to price, and then we can take our positions from there. On the 4 hour, nothing much to say, even the hourly chart. So I expect to see price punch through this fair value gap downwards to this other low, even these other highs. So this is another range you can below this point. But other than that, gold, nothing much on it. It has been really shitty in terms of price action over the last couple of months and whatnot. But yeah, we'll still take advantage of whatever opportunities we get. Yeah, so that's about it. That's about it. So, are there any questions? Are there any any other suggestions? Maybe I'll leave Martin if Martin is in the call, or Alex if you have anything as I wait for questions. Alex, unanisikia? Yes? Oh, okay, 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 okay. So if there are no questions, then yeah, that's it. That's it basically. So we wait to see uh, whether I'll get positions, and I've set this call to end at 12 12 p.m. So in Kenya, so around 12, if we get something, I'll be able to take that trade. But other than that, we can just see, we can just watch what price is going to do. So if you guys are not too busy, if you're trading by your una trade peke yako, you're watching price action, uh, tunaweza to hang out until we get, if I get something, I'll I'll share what I think, and then we can see how to execute on that. But other than that, uh, on gold, nimesha outline what I'm looking for. So yeah, I'll just be on mute, but still on the call, unless a question comes up and anything, maybe you can. Yeah.